Hello, everyone. Hello, welcome, and thank you to
Hello.
be.
Hello, Ru.
Hi, hi, Tarek. Hi, B. How are you?
A bit tired, but happy that we have hosted a lot of people from different time zones, different countries, cultures, and very good speakers with very great topics.
Yes, it was
Yeah,
an amazing journey.
excellent. Well, as a sorry. Hello, everyone. I am Ru, and you see my colleagues, my lovely colleagues. Actually, all three of us, we are the moderators for today's and Uh, so thank you for being with us for the whole 2 days packed with workshops and talks. It's been absolutely blessed for being connected with you, all of you, for the whole journey. And great, I'm not flying solo because I have Biggie and Tariq to help because we have 3 lines for all the more than I cannot remember the exact number, but we have really good numbers of the talks and workshops, and I hope all of you enjoyed a lot for every single session. All right, so now is the here is for exciting moment for the raffles and giveaways winners. But before we jump into the raffle, I still want to give a moment to express our gratitude, no matter for the attendees, audience, if you are live or later you will catch up for the on-demand videos. We really appreciate your energy, curiosity, and all of your questions to make our sessions lively, and it all make our hard work worth it. So thank you. And also,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you. Next, we have to say definitely shout out to our speakers, because all of our speakers, because of their enlightened sessions, and they share their insights and their knowledge and their experience as expert developers. We all of us got learned and inspired by their innovations, and also thanks to their dedication to .NET world, and it makes the industry forward definitely. So also thank you for the fabulous contributions to our speakers. I don't know if
Thank
we have
you.
speaker online with us, but yeah, claps to you. And of course, we cannot survive with the conference if we don't have sponsors. So thank you for all our sponsors. Thank you for your great, great, great support and your raffles, your giveaways. Especially we have Y Technology and Mailtrap. They do have their prizes for you. So guys, let's get excited for the winners. We have actually 4 levels of the gift. We call it gift box because thanks to this year's crowd, we have more than just like a license like last year or just one coupon or something. We prepared like 4 levels of a gift box. It's like a bundle of gifts. So stay with us to the end for the winners. And so that's let me check. Where is the winner slide?
Drum rolls.
All right. Ting, ting, ting. Yeah, I hear some music background. I would appreciate. All right. Where is my... Sorry, guys. Ton, ton, tons. Stay with us. Okay. Hi, guys. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we
Hopefully you can
can.
see me. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay. All right. Here you can see... Tan, 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 tan. Wow, so many names. It means so many winners, right? All right, let's start.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so let's start with a premium package. We have Özgür Askin. Please correct me if my pronunciation is wrong. I believe it's a Turkish friend,
It's
right?
correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Özlü Askin, congratulations. And Timo Muta, Mahunyepa, Alex Campbell, Romaril Macrefi, Stefan Finchet. So congratulations, you 5 guys. You won the premium package. You will receive ABP conference. ABP commercial license. Also, 4 .NET titled books, but it's ebook. So later, we will contact you as Volosoft marketing Volosoft.com. We will share the details how you can redeem your gift. And the next one, we have the gold package.
Before moving to gold, maybe you can switch between the first slide and the second slide so people can understand what is premium and gold.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and the first slide, the previous slide. Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Maybe some of you, thank you, Tarek, for your heads up. So maybe some of you are not familiar with our winners. Yeah, so we have, here's the list of our huge gift boxes. We have 5 ABP personal license and ebooks. All of them are .NET related, of course. And we have 6 IDE coupons from JetBrains, thanks to our sponsor JetBrain. Also, we have 2 copies and 5 ebook from Pact. Thank you, Pact, for your sponsorship. So here are the titles of the .NET books. We have copies and ebook for you. And the next we have Y Technology, which is our gold sponsor. Thank you for your generous sponsor, because we have 5 Ragu React for ABP commercial licenses. You can see the value. And also we have, together we have 5 gift vouchers, also each one worth like $100. And besides, we have Mailtrap. Actually, if you check the Mailtrap page, you will find a fun quiz link. If you are the one who submit your quiz, you will be the one who have the chance to win one $100 valued Amazon gift card. So let's move to the winners. And the premium winners, I think you already know, you will win ABP conference, ABP commercial license, and plus 4 .NET titled books. And then we have gold package, Omer Kaya, congratulations, Tarun Patel, congratulations, and Leia, and Serana, Sylvia. All of you will win the gold package comes from Y Technology, our gold sponsor. So you will have the React license for ABP commercial license together with the gift voucher. And then we have the silver package, Anti Toronan, Canel Ricketts, Vipin Tachinari. Sorry for my mixed pronunciation, but I'm also so excited for giveaway all these gifts. Then we have Patrick, and Virash. So congratulations to all of you. So you will win the JetBrains coupons. IDE, how you say IDE or IDA coupons. So we will message you how to redeem the coupons. And then the last,
I think this is .ultimate, right, Bige?
Good news. They can use on anything, not just on Ultimate. Yes.
That's great. That's great. So congratulations.
Yeah. Nice. And we have 6. And so the last one, bronze package what we got for the Christian and Gary. Congratulations, guys. So you will win each of you will win 4 copies of these .NET titled books. Hands-on Visual Studio 2022 Web API Development with ASP.NET Core 8, .NET Mayo projects, and Mastering ABP Framework. So later we will also contact you via email. We will maybe collect your address and name and some necessary information, and we will send you the books. All right, that's all.
And I would like to ask something here.
Yeah, sure,
and please. The Mail Trap and the Y Technology, they have made their own raffle themselves, right? Or did I miss something?
No,
we have given all? Okay.
Yes. We have
great.
we have the raffle winners for Y Technology.
So Mail Trap?
Mail Trap, we have the winner from them, but later they will contact with the winner.
Okay, they will contact themselves because we didn't announce it ourselves. Okay, that's great.
Exactly.
Thanks for the presentation of that.
Yeah, so we will ensure all of you get your gift, so don't worry. As ABP, as Volosoft, we always keep our promise. So yeah. Well, sorry to say, but it's like the closing time of this year's ABP conference. But let's remember every single connection with the speaker, with the attendee, with us, with everyone, let's say. So each lesson you learn and each developer, they share their journey. I believe you got quite a lot for your, no matter for your career or if you are students, for your further learning. So I hope you enjoyed and you had fun. And at the very, very end, sounds cliche, but I really want to say in this way, it's like a slogan, but keep building, keep sharing, and let's continue to support each other as a .NET developer or as developers or as a single person. So until next time, happy coding and see you at the next conference.
So enjoy coding, everyone. See you next year.
See you. Bye.